We can see we have 5 hits here for a long power bounce. And if you don't see these columns, you can click on these 3 lines here, just enable a long power bounce, short power bounce, and so forth. But today we're going to look for a long power bounce trade. And the one that I liked, I went through all of these manually afterwards. The one I liked a lot was this one here, the 3M company, MMM. Let's check it out on the chart. So I'm going to now go to this chart here. It's a daily time frame. MMM is the company which the scanner picked up, and look at this one here. So what has happened? Well, first off, right off the bat, as soon as this loads, we can see there was a big gap down here. This was an earnings gap. You can see it here. Big earnings gap. Earnings came out, I believe, yesterday. I guess they must have surprised the market. You can see it here a little bit. Prices came down. Well, these happens. And in fact, among all the gaps, I think earnings gaps are the ones which I like to trade the most. I'm going to talk about this gap in just a second. But where did we gap to? This is where it gets really interesting. First of all, this is a symbol in a long-term uptrend. You can see it here, but also MA Rush, for example, would have told you this. Very bullish. But after posting all-time highs here in December, we had a bit of a sideways move. We came back up again, and now the big earnings gap, we gapped down right to this zone of control.
Daniel, just mentioning, just close that Russell short in case anyone was watching that.
Oh, it's pushing higher?
Yeah. No, it just took profits, that's all.
Oh, you took profit. Okay, got it. Okay. Well, congratulations. Okay, so, but back to this one here. So where do we gap down to? This high volume node of our volume IQ indicator, coinciding with a key support level. You see this red level here of our liquidity IQ indicator. And together, this forms a long power bounce because 3 things are coming together. We are bullish, we are near support, near the zone of control, and the second line of defense is the support level. So things are lining up for a long trade here. And the anticipation is, well, we're going to be bouncing off this level, the zone of control, towards higher price level, and potentially even filling this gap. This is the reason why I picked 3M company as my trade of the day today. So if you were to trade this, my entry would be around 150. I believe you may see a little bit price coming down a little bit further. If you want to scale in right now, I think there's nothing wrong with that. I think maybe if you want to be conservative, wait for prices to pull back even a bit further to 150. Stop loss just below the support level here, and your profit target would be the gap fill at the minimum. So here on my slides, 3M company, an S&P 500 stock in the industrial sectors, limit entry at 150, stop loss 140, just below this level, profit target 175. All right, before I talk about this gap here, which I also want to mention, if you're wondering, hey, what's this cool 1IQ indicator, which I used right now to find this particular setup? Well, you can check it out at tradingindicators.com/1. And Niklas, please also put this link into the chat box. And if you go to this link, you can see we do have a special offer going on for 1IQ right now. For all of you who are perhaps interested in this indicator, I know most of you have it already. That's great. But if you don't have it yet, you can check it out at tradingindicators.com/1.